everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
My crafting and my grocery channel, because you see I got a parfait sitting up there on the cake platter next to the chocolate bunny and the donut. That's my parfait I made today. I now see I should have put more chocolate pudding than the whipped cream. Wow. But they are good, but it just, and I couldn't find my cookie crumble. I needed the cookie crumble that was supposed to go on top. Oh, I got to redo the parfaits all over again. I got like, what did I make? I made 6 of them. But yeah, I got to share that on my grocery channel. Pudding parfait sitting up there that is totally needs some help, but it's delicious. It just need more pudding in it. I got to redo it. Didn't take long to make the chocolate instant pudding either. But yeah, so nothing's nothing. Why did I say nothing? I'm just here as usual, putting in some work on the crafting channel, my grocery channel, my gardening channel. Because if you're a content creator, you're trying to be monetized and all that, you got to put in the work. You got to make these videos. You got to make some content and share. I wish I had a cook today, because shoot, I get hungry. Tomorrow, okay, for my cooking channel tomorrow, I'm not sure what I'm going. I might make a pizza. I don't know. We might have pizza, because I just thought I got some a canned pineapple. I got frozen fresh pineapple, but I'm using that canned pineapple to go on the pizza. So tomorrow we probably have pizza and maybe some hot wings. Pizza and hot wings. How about that? Tempted to make a little thing of spaghetti. I love spaghetti. Spaghetti, pizza, hot wings, grocery channel. How about that? Grocery channel, I know you wonder why y'all staring at all this instead of some groceries, because I'm mingling with my crafting channel. As you see the parfait, I got to put some more pudding up in there. I got the cherry. Can't find my cookies I want to sprinkle on top. So I got to do it all over again. I made 6 of them, and it didn't turn out like I wanted it. The pudding and everything, the whipped cream and cherries is all good. It just ain't enough in the cup. So that's all I need to do is fix them and then come back and do it. But I should have, anyway. What's done is done. But yeah, grocery channel. I'm just came through to share my little parfait. Talk about what's gonna be tomorrow's dinner. Today I just had. Did I finish saying complete my thought? I was saying what I had. I didn't cook dinner today, but what I had for breakfast, I had made me some of them Hungry Jack pancakes. I had hot link, turkey sausage, and some scrambled eggs. That's what I had. That's what I ate all day. I did have a little piece of cheese and a couple of crackers. Other than that, and then I ate some of the parfait. That was it. But tomorrow, I'm making pizza, chicken wings, And it might be a little pot of spaghetti out. That's a good spaghetti and pizza go together, and some little hot wings ain't gonna hurt nobody. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.